Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Cadillac XT5 Luxury featured in Bronze Dune Metallic with the Sahara Beige interior. Under the hoods, it's a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, UltraView power sunroof, wireless phone charging, front and rear park assist, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have power lock and unlock, powered windows and mirrors, Bose speaker system, liftgate controls to the left, and some extra storage. Taking a look at these seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating and lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left we have the power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel, to the left is the cruise control. Below that we have our heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, and lane keep assist, and to the right we have our cluster as well as audio controls. Turning the vehicle on, we can take a look at the infotainment system. Starting off with our audio, comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We can check out the map here.
This vehicle is in demonstration mode, connected by OnStar's high-speed 4G connection.
Throwing it in reverse, take a look at the backup camera. Below that we have our climate control with heated front seats for both driver and passenger, some storage, 2 cup holders. Here's the center console. Tons of storage space, 2 USBs in the back, and our wireless phone charging. Up top is the rear view mirror, OnStar and SOS, 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with a chrome accent and keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back here, you have some XT5 and Cadillac badging. We can either double click on the key fob or just press below to open up the lift gate. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on the side for extra visibility, manual seating controls on either side as well to drop the second row of seats down, making a ton of extra storage space. And we also have some hidden storage below that houses the spare tire and jack, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered window, cup holder down below. We have a 60/40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back we see we have magazine holders. We have our rear climate control, rear vents, some extra storage. Down at the bottom we have 2 USBs. At the top you'll find handles paired with the dome light matched on the other side, and in the middle here we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of this UltraView power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2019 Cadillac XT5 Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.